Have you ever wondered why oftentimes we do things which we don't even want to? We often push our limit just to satisfy other people's need because we think it's our responsibility. It's on us that we have to take care of every people around us in order to just maintain friendship, or maybe you want to set boundaries but you are lacking the main thing, self-confidence, or just you don't want to make them feel bad or upset. Honestly, you're not doing anything wrong. You don't have to apologize or feel guilty for setting boundary. It's a need, not just a symbol of respect for yourself. Prioritizing your goals, your perspective, yourself is not selfish. You have to take care of yourself. You need to learn the lessons from previous heartbreak and not fall for it again. You have to protect your peace. You have to take stand for yourself and say no to anything that you don't agree with. And don't misunderstand. It's not like you don't have to help others, but not at the urge of you losing yourself. Not when you say yes to things which you don't actually want to do. Not when you take others' work even when you have your own. Not when it's only you who's always there to help and it's not the other way around. Setting boundaries is like wearing your mask to protect yourself from toxicity, betrayal, and not falling for same mistakes. So protect your peace, protect your energy, and protect yourself from unnecessary chaos that always happens in your life, not because of you, but because you take responsibility of other people's drama.